Greetings, Stone. You did well in retrieving those data crystals, but another crisis requires our attention. I need you to prevent more crucial captured equipment from being used by the enemy. There is a Craven research station somewhere in Sector Delphi.
Do you have any kind of coordinates for this base, Magnus? If I remember correctly, Delphi is not exactly an easy sector to search on foot.
You remember right. To help, I have sent you 2 squads of Apis scout bikes. They should allow you to cover the terrain quickly and evade Craven patrols. I want you to set your dropship down here and link up with 2 trucks of engineers that I am slipping into the sector. Protect them and take them into the Craven base when you find it. They will identify the equipment and load it aboard the trucks for retrieval.
I understand. I will not let these corporate dogs use our own equipment to defile the relics. Stone out!
New drop zone. Landing vehicle entering atmosphere.
May the sun praise you, Deacon Stone. We are yours to command.
Move order received. Move order received. As you command. Boarding APC. Yes, Deacon. Yes, Deacon, we are moving.
Move, command. Yes, Deacon. We shall move at once, Deacon.
Assuming line formation. Yes, Deacon.
Jared, the engineers will follow you like sacred sheep, and you must treat them as such. I have designated the probable base location as Objective Zulu on your map.
Move as you command, Deacon.
Move order received.
Yes, Deacon. Moving at once.
Yes, Deacon. We will move.
Yes, Deacon, we are moving. Yes, Deacon.
We move, command. Understood.
Move orders received.
Yes, Deacon, we are moving.
Command APC
As you
taking
command,
hostile
Deacon.
fire.
Move order received.
Yes, Deacon.
Squad 13
Moving at
taking
once.
hostile fire.
Yes, Deacon.
Yes, Deacon. We shall move at once, Deacon.
Squad 4
Command
regenerating.
understood.
Command APC taking hostile fire. Hostile inbound. Squad 4
Affirmative.
regenerating.
Engaging enemy.
Squad 4 taking hostile fire. Squad 4 regenerating. Hostile Pterodine eliminated.
Move order
Squad
received.
4 taking hostile fire. Squad 4 taking friendly fire. Hostile Pterodine eliminated.
Yes, Deacon.
Squad
Yes,
4
Deacon, we are
regenerating.
moving.
Squad 4 taking friendly fire. Hostile Pterodine eliminated. Squad
order
4 taking
received.
hostile fire. Squad 4 taking friendly fire. Hostile Pterodine eliminated.
Can't move there, Deacon. Yes,
Squad
Deacon, we
4
are
regenerating.
move order received. Yes, Deacon.
Yes, Deacon. We will move. We shall move at once, Deacon.
Move order received.
Squad 13 regenerating.
Move orders received.
Squad 3 regenerating.
Yes, Deacon, we are moving.
Move command understood.
Yes, Deacon. Yes, Deacon, we are moving.
As you command, Deacon.
Move order received. Move order received. Waypoint added. Waypoint added. Waypoint added, Deacon. Waypoint added, Deacon. Yes, Deacon.
Yes, Deacon. We will move.
Yes, Deacon. Moving at once.
Yet move order received.
We shall move at once, Deacon.
We are on our way. Yes, Deacon.
Move command understood.
Move order received. Yes, Deacon.
Squad 3 taking hostile
We're
fire.
moving,
Squad
Deacon.
3 regenerating.
Move orders received.
Squad 3
Missile
taking
weapon
friendly
confirmed.
fire. Squad 4 taking hostile fire.
Special weapon confirmed.
Yes, Deacon. We will move.
Squad 4 regenerating.
Move order received.
Squad 4 taking hostile fire.
Special weapon confirmed.
We shall move at once, Deacon.
Squad 4 regenerating.
Special
Hostile
weapon
Terror
confirmed.
eliminated.
We are on our way.
Move command understood.
Squad 3 taking hostile
Yes,
fire.
Deacon.
Squad 3 taking
Yes,
friendly
Deacon.
fire.
We will move.
Squad 3 regenerating. Squad 3 taking friendly fire. Squad 3
are
taking
on our
friendly
waypoint
fire.
at it,
Squad
Deacon.
3 taking hostile fire. Squad 3 regenerating. Squad 3 taking friendly fire. Squad 3 taking friendly fire. Squad 3 taking hostile fire. Squad 3 regenerating. Squad 3 taking friendly fire. Hostile Pterodine eliminated. Squad 3 taking friendly fire. Hostile Pterodine eliminated.
We are on our way. Yes, Deacon.
As you command, Deacon.
The base is up ahead, Stone. Send in the engineer team to capture the equipment. Be advised that the loading procedure may take a few moments, and keep them safe meanwhile.
Yes, Deacon. Moving at
Hostile
once.
infantry
We're
eliminated.
moving, Deacon.
Squad 4 taking
Move
hostile
order
fire.
received.
Squad 4 regenerating. Squad 4 taking friendly fire. Hostile infantry eliminated. Squad 4 taking friendly fire. Hostile infantry eliminated. Squad 4 taking hostile fire. Squad 4 taking friendly fire. Squad 4 regenerating.
Affirmative.
Squad 4 taking
Engaging
friendly
enemy.
fire.
Move order received.
Squad 4 taking friendly fire. Squad 4 taking hostile fire. Hostile infantry eliminated. Squad 4 regenerating.
We are on
Squad
our
4
way.
taking friendly fire. Hostile
Attack order
Pterodine
received.
eliminated. Squad 4 taking friendly fire. Squad 4 taking hostile fire. Squad 4 taking friendly fire. Squad 4 regenerating. Hostile infantry eliminated. Squad 4 taking friendly fire. Hostile infantry eliminated.
We're moving, Deacon. Yes, Deacon.
Move orders received.
Yes, Deacon. We will move.
We are on our way. Yes, Deacon, we are moving.
Squad 4 regenerating.
We shall move at once, Deacon.
As you command, Deacon.
Move order received.
Yes, Deacon. Moving at once. Deacon, we are at the correct location and will search for the machinery. It will take us a while to get it underway.
We are on our way. Move order received. Yes, Deacon.
We have found what we are looking for. We are loading the machinery right away. Just a few more moments. We are ready, Deacon. We have the machinery safely secured aboard our transports and are ready to leave this place.
Engaging enemy.
Well done, Stone. The engineers have identified the equipment and have loaded it onto the truck. Now get them and yourself back to the marked pickup zone in one piece.
As you command. Engaging the unworthy. Attack order as you command.
Enemy structure destroyed.
Affirmative. Back order is affirmative. Attacking. Affirmative.
Enemy structure
Back order
destroyed.
received. Affirmative. Attacking. Yes, Deacon,
Hostile
we are
Pterodon
moving.
eliminated.
Attack order received. As you command. Boarding APC.
Move orders received.
Move order received.
As you command. Yes, Deacon. Moving at once.
Yes, Deacon.
Move command understood.
Yes, Deacon, we are moving.
Move orders received.
Yes, Deacon. We will move. We shall move at once, Deacon.
As you command, Deacon.
Move order received. Yes, Deacon.
Squad 4 regenerating.
Yes, Deacon, we are moving. Yes, Deacon.
Squad
Yes,
4
Deacon, we are
regenerating.
moving. Move order received. Yes, Deacon. Yes, Deacon, we are moving. Move order received. Yes, Deacon. Yes, Deacon, we are moving.
Squad 3 taking hostile
Move order
fire.
received. Yes, Deacon. Yes, Deacon, we are move order received.
Hostile
Affirmative.
infantry
Yes, Deacon, we
eliminated.
are moving.
Squad
Move
3
order
taking
received.
hostile fire.
Special yes, Deacon. Yes, Deacon, we are move order received.
Hostile Pterodyne eliminated.
Yes, Deacon.
Squad 3 regenerating. Squad 3 taking hostile fire. Hostile infantry eliminated.
Yes, Deacon, we are moving. Move. Yes, Deacon. Yes, Deacon, we are moving.
Move command understood.
Yes, Deacon. Yes, Deacon, we are moving.
Squad 3 regenerating.
Move order received.
Yes, Deacon. We shall move at once, Deacon.
Squad 3 regenerating.
Yes, Deacon. Move order received.
Move command understood.
Yes, Deacon. Moving at once.
Yes, Deacon, we are moving. Waypoint added. Waypoint added. Yes, Deacon. Yes, Deacon, we are moving. Move order received. Yes, Deacon. Yes, Deacon, we are moving.
Move orders received.
Yes, Deacon. We will move.
As you command, Deacon.
We shall move at once, Deacon.
We're moving, Deacon.
Move command understood.
Mission accomplished.
I am being pulled further into darkness. I have spent the evening studying the equipment we retrieved today. It is all related to this cursed Project GARM, which has lured my closest friends into the darkness, and now draws me there as well. Most of the equipment is designed for signal reception and interpretation, but on a scale and complexity I have not seen before. Project GARM must be an actual attempt to speak to God through his holy relics here on Krieg 7B. Amazing. I believe that with this equipment, I could decode the Project GARM data crystals. But should I? Do I dare go farther? I overheard some of the men talking about how glad they are to be fighting without priest officers reviewing their every action. They seem to be relishing this freedom, but I cannot agree. I find myself treading a line between betrayal of my friends and the wrath of the Order. Desperately, I desire guidance.